Hey, what's up, bud? With Casey on a forest walk. So this area they cleared just before the winter hit. They did some over here too, but it actually cleared. I don't know why they cleared it, because it fills up with water. So I'm not sure what the goal there was. We're just going to check out the river in the lovely Forest City. Let's see how the river is. We've had some pretty mild temperatures, so we'll go down there and check it out. So here we are at this tree. It's seen some better days. It has seen some better days. This fell over. Used to be a lot higher. Kind of a trick to get under it. Ooh, there we go. Oh, we got some ducks. We've got some ducks in the water. Well, it doesn't seem to be any higher than it was the other day. So it fell down, it collapsed more when we had the icing. Somebody's cut that off there. Somebody's been back in here cutting that off. This trail goes back further this way. We're going to follow it. We're going to go that way. Don't see too much ice in the river. The odd one. Hey folks, we'll catch up. Have a good day.